Creating a wooden DIY project can be an incredibly rewarding experience, allowing you to express your creativity while also producing functional and decorative items for your home. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner looking to explore the craft, there are countless projects you can undertake that range in complexity and style. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll explore various wooden projects, ranging from simple to complex, that you can undertake using raw wood. So watch the video until the end to see our today's content and get inspiration. Woodworking is a craft that has been enjoyed for centuries, providing individuals with the ability to create functional and decorative items from raw materials. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner, there are countless projects you can undertake that not only enhance your living space, but also offer potential income opportunities when sold. Engaging in DIY wooden projects comes with numerous benefits. Creativity: you can design and build pieces that reflect your personal style. Satisfaction: completing a project provides a sense of accomplishment. Cost-effective: creating your own items can be more affordable than purchasing ready-made products. Sustainability: using reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood can reduce your environmental impact. Market potential: unique handmade items often attract buyers looking for one-of-a-kind pieces. Before diving into specific projects, it's essential to have the right tools on hand. Here are some basic tools you'll need for woodworking. Measuring tape, for accurate measurements. Saw, a hand saw or power saw for cutting wood. Drill, for making holes and driving screws. Sander, for smoothing surfaces. Wood glue, for joining pieces together. Clamps, to hold pieces in place while drying. Paintbrushes and stains, for finishing touches. Simple wooden projects. Wooden coasters. Wooden coasters are practical items that protect surfaces from drink spills while adding a rustic touch to home decor. Rustic picture frames. Picture frames are a great way to showcase memories and can be customized to fit any decor style. Wooden plant stands. Plant stands elevate your plants, making them more visible and enhancing interior decor. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Share us your thoughts in the comments section and also smash the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video of furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and stylish option preferences. Tell us what you want to explore further in this channel on our next video of the furniture design and decor ideas. For your specific needs to transform your space and create an interesting experience in your furniture pieces. Intermediate wooden projects. Bookshelves. A bookshelf is a functional piece that adds storage and style to any room. Wine racks. A wine rack is perfect for storing bottles securely while adding charm to dining areas. Wooden toy boxes. A toy box is a practical storage solution for children's toys, helping keep spaces tidy. Advanced wooden projects. Dining tables. A custom dining table can become a centerpiece in your home, showcasing craftsmanship. Benches. Benches are versatile seating options that can be used indoors or outdoors. Custom cabinets. Building custom cabinets allows you to create storage solutions tailored to your space. Tips for selling your wooden creations. Once you've crafted your unique wooden pieces, consider these tips for selling them. Market research: understand your target audience and what they are looking for in handmade wooden items. Quality craftsmanship: ensure each piece is well made with attention to detail. Quality matters to buyers. Photography: take high-quality photos of your products in good lighting to showcase their features effectively. Online platforms: consider selling on platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or local marketplaces. Social media marketing. Use social media platforms to promote your work and connect with potential customers. Craft fairs. Local markets. Participate in local craft fairs or markets to reach customers directly. Embarking on DIY wooden projects not only allows you to create beautiful and functional pieces, but also offers opportunities to generate income through sales of your creations. With a variety of projects ranging from simple coasters to custom cabinets, there's something for everyone regardless of skill level. By investing time in learning woodworking techniques and exploring your creativity, you can develop unique items that resonate with customers looking for handmade quality in their homes. Whether you choose to sell online or at local markets, remember that each piece tells a story of craftsmanship and dedication, qualities that buyers appreciate in today's market. Start your woodworking journey today, and who knows? You might just find your next favorite hobby or a thriving business. Dear viewers, there you have them. Do you like today's content? If you do, please tell us what you like about them. Share us your thoughts in the comments section. And please consider subscribing the channel if you haven't already. And like and share this video to your friends and family so that it could reach wider audience. We will show you furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and enjoy uniquely transform your living spaces or office. Thank you for watching the video until the end. See you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.